After years of development, broiler industry has transformed from a traditional breeding style to a modern breeding style. Broiler industry is a model of modern scientific and technological progress. Through the adoption of new technologies, new equipment and new processes, the production efficiency of the entire industry has been continuously improved, and the level of industrialization has been raised higher. FMR-type broiler cage is an advanced broiler cage equipment independently developed and manufactured by our company. We are a modern breeding equipment manufacturer integrating product research and development, product manufacturing, engineering design, equipment installation and service. This product is a frame structure, which breaks the original hanging table mode. The cage pieces are buckled on the bracket, and the bearing force is pressed on the bracket. The cage net will not bend after long-term use. The size of each group is 105 centimeters in length. The width of each cage is 240 centimeters, and each cage is 105 centimeters long, 80 centimeters wide, and 42 centimeters high. Calculated on 20 chickens can be raised in 1 square meter. The feeding capacity of each cage is 17 chickens. The cage is designed to be fully separated, which can allow the chicken house with floor heating system to fully exert the temperature. There is a ventilation gap of 40 centimeters to 45 centimeters in the middle. It has a good ventilation effect for the high density of broiler cages. Full push-open cage door design. The cage door opens to the inside of the chicken cage, with a width of 100 cm and a height of 30 centimeters, which reduces the damage to chicken wings in the process of catching chickens. The simple and easy-to-operate automatic waterline lifting system, with a maximum upgrade height of 38 centimeters. Improves the drinking posture of the chickens, so that the older chickens will not easily touch the nipples, reduce dripping, and ensure the dryness of the feces. The cage net is made of Q195 steel wire, hot dip galvanized after welding, and the service life after treatment is 10 to 15 years. The PP manure removal belt is made of polypropylene with a width of 82 centimeters. The frame of the manure removal drive system is made of galvanized sheet with a thickness of 2.75 millimeters and a coating layer of 100 grams. The gear motor is selected from well-known brands such as Wanshin and Wakai, and each layer is equipped with a drive motor. The tight system reduces motor idling and manure belt misalignment problems. The bracket is made of galvanized sheet with a thickness of 1.8 millimeters and a coating of 100 grams, which is sprayed after CNC molding. The bracket connecting plate is a galvanized sheet with a thickness of 1.5 millimeters and a coating of 100 grams. The new aluminum-plated version with a coating of 150 grams is made. And the complete set of equipment is composed of 8.8 grade Dacromet anti-corrosion bolts, more easier to maintain and repair. The drinking fountain is made of high-quality and high-precision cone valve drinking fountains, which are easy to flush and not easy to block. Waterline is made of square pipe PVC, equipped with a large anti-slope feeding trough made of white polyvinyl chloride, with an extension height of 13 centimeters. A width of 9 centimeters, and a frontal height of 5 centimeters, which solves the problem of adult chickens trampling during feeding. The bottom trough is protected by a hot dip galvanized pipe with a diameter of Q32 to prevent the damage of pushing and pulling goods, and it is more convenient for breeders to observe the chicken. Production processes and processes, select high-quality steel, and use advanced equipment such as laser cutting, cold bending forming machine, CNC bending, and CNC machine tools to process and form, which greatly improves the accuracy of the product. Electrostatic spraying is the best way for anti-corrosion plastic coating technology that can be achieved at present. The surface of the metal workpiece is heated at more than 260 degrees to make the powder melt and naturally cool and solidify. forming a hard coating on the surface of the workpiece, which solves the problem of cross-section truncation of the galvanized sheet during processing. Rust problem. The coating film is made of plastic. Chicken houses are basically disinfected with disinfectant containing acid and alkali. This layer of coating will completely prevent acid and alkali erosion, thereby extending the service life of the equipment, which can be at least 5 years longer than high-zinc laminate. This product has been recognized and cooperated with well-known enterprises such as Guangdong Wenxi, Liaoning Hefeng, Shandong Yishan Luhe Group, Qingdao Kangda, Shandong Shentan, Zhengda Company, and has been put into use. After several years of development, the standardization level of broiler breeding has been greatly improved on the basis of its relatively high level. As an emerging breeding model in recent years, broiler cage farming has been highly recognized by colleagues in the industry, and has been widely promoted around the world. Many large-scale broiler breeding enterprises have taken the lead in trying, and have found a successful path. Thank you for your watching. This is JRF Industry. More information, please visit our website, or write an email to us, and contact us by WhatsApp.